quick video, right? Problem with having a Romanian car, it breaks all the time, and you've got to replace parts. Now this is how to change.
It's from a Romanian car, and it's broke again. That's the second one I've replaced since I've had the
Dacia. But
terrible.
Anyway, let's get to it. Start off with, underneath the steering wheel, we've got two T20s.
That is
underneath the steering wheel,
as you can
two
see.
T20s.
So I'm going to take them off and pretend I'm turning it.
Let me
but
take
I'm not
these off.
Really, because I couldn't get it in. But I carried on, pretending I was turning it. How dodgy is that? So I took both of them out and then lowered the steering wheel using that. And I'll grab the top and just like pulls it off. Because that's how it works. And then showing everyone where the indicator stalk is. I've actually got the steering wheel in a stupid position, which I realised in a second, and I'm just putting out these two screws now, there, and one underneath it, which are T10s. Then one's a T10s, so I got my screwdriver. Once again, pretending I'm taking them out. I think I did actually. And now I'm going to take the bottom one out because I'm a champ. I'm going to pretend to do it, but I've done it off camera. And then you just rag that out, bang, but be careful because it has got cables. And there, you just clip the little grey bit and yank it out. See that little grey bit there? Yeah, push, Joe, push, yank. And there's the new one. No, it's not, it's the old one still. Bang, that's the old one. Just showing you. Took it off. Look, like a champ. Like a champ, throw it. Get lost, get in the car, Romania. And there's the new one. Plug the little grey block back in. Pushed it back in the original position it was in. And then, where's my T10s, lad? And my screwdriver. There we go. Screw them T10s back in. Like that, like a champ. Where's the other T10? One, like a champ. Like a champ. Screw it in. There we go. Now put that back on. There's actually two clips on the front, so closer to the steering wheel. There is two little clips. I didn't realise that until like a second later, and then I realised. There we go. Come on, Joe. Penny drop. There we go. Has he noticed the clips? He has. There we go. And then he clips them back in like a champ. And then he does his T20s again. I think I've done them first time, like a champ. There's my leg. There we go. Other one. Doing it in slow motion so everyone can see where it's going. Get it in the old lad. Come on. There we go. Checking everything's working. Yeah. And as you can see on the left hand side, warning lights because my tyre sensor got broken and it's not worth replacing it. Check my tyres on a regular occasion so I know that they're fine. My new indicator works. Beep